Hello and good morning. Today's presentation is about a demonstration of a diploid cell undergoing meiosis. This cell has an N number 3, which means it has 3 unique chromosomes, a short, a medium and a long. It being a diploid cell, it has a complete set of each of these 3 chromosomes, one set from its mother and one set from its father. During the prophase 1 of meiosis 1, each chromosome duplicates itself. We now have a cell that is 4N, 4 copies of each chromosomes. 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of short chromosomes, for example. This being meiosis, an important process happens before moving to the next phase. Homologous pairs of chromosomes form a tight association with each other and they exchange DNA in the process of crossing over. The tails of some of these chromosomes literally switch places so that new chromosomes are recombinations. After crossing over is complete, the chromosomes dissociate from each other. They will begin to line up in the center of the cell for metaphase 1. In metaphase 1, homologous pairs of chromosomes line up across from each other. So the shorts line up with the shorts, the mediums with the mediums, and the longs with the longs. Doesn't really matter which side each pair of these chromosomes are. It could happen this way, any combinations, just as long as the pairs of chromosomes are across from each other. During anaphase 1, the homologous pairs of the chromosomes are separated and each new cell gets a pair of homologous chromosomes. At the end of telophase 1, we now have 2 cells. Each of these cells now have 2N, 2 copies of short in each cell, 2 copies of medium and long. But you can already see that each of these cells is different from the other because of the way that the chromosomes lined up and also because of the crossing over. During the next part of meiosis, meiosis 2, each of these cells will divide. During metaphase 2 of meiosis 2, the chromosomes line up in a straight row just as they do in mitosis, which is in the center of the cell. The chromosomes will then separate. And now we have 4 unique cells. We can put the chromosomes then together for each of these unique cells. You can see that they all are different from one another. The cells are also 1N. They have only 1 copy of each of the chromosomes. 1 copy of short, 1 copy of medium, and 1 copy of long. In meiosis, the end result is that you get 4 haploid cells from 1 diploid cell. Each of these cells are different from each other and different from the parent cell. Thank you.